Today I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Upwork. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your main Upwork dashboard where you can access all your settings and preferences. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various options. This menu gives you quick access to important account settings and customization features. From the drop-down that appears, you'll notice an option labeled Theme. Click on this option. This is where Upwork lets you control the visual appearance of the interface, allowing you to switch between different display modes based on your preference and comfort. Once you click on Theme, you'll see the available display options. Go ahead and click on Dark. As soon as you select this, the interface will immediately switch to dark mode. The entire Upwork platform will now display with a darker color scheme, which is easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime use or in low light environments. Dark mode also helps reduce screen glare and can be less draining during extended work sessions. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Upwork, giving your workspace a more comfortable and modern look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.